In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Advanced Features over here. Then tap on one-handed mode on the left and manage it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. When your switcher is blue, that means that one-handed mode is on. Now you need to scroll to pick one of those options to reduce display size width, gesture or button. Then follow all of the instructions below your chosen method. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly, so I can easily use my device thanks to this tiny screen. If you want to move this screen around, you can do that by clicking on this icon on the left or on the right, or you can hold this one at the top and drag your screen. You can also click on this blurry area to go back, and to scroll this tiny screen, hold top right or left corner to drag it. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!